Okay, another fantastic place to find some information about world religions is called Explora Secondary. It's also on this first landing page of our resources, library resources. So if you were to go to Explora Secondary and just type in, for example, Islam, you end up getting this topic overview of the religion itself. But then you'll find here also different reference books. These are actually ebooks. So we have the Major World Religions ebook and Understanding World Religions and Beliefs. So you can actually access that ebook. It's going to open up here and it will look just like a book. And you're able to then take a look and find the information that you are seeking. There's glossaries you can look through there, but this would give you the origins of Islam, the 5 pillars, and how they worship. So things like that. So I would also recommend utilizing Explora Secondary to find information for your project.